Hi! In this video, we are going to explain the applications of the SIP protocol in video surveillance projects. To start, it's better to know what SIP stands for. SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol. Currently, most telephony service providers, or so-called TSP, now focus on using the SIP protocol for optimizing connection streams. But why? The answer is quite obvious. We use this protocol in telephony service for two main reasons: having lack of complexity and being cost effectiveness. As the UNWIFA standard, with the help of network cameras, came to better integrate video surveillance systems, the SIP protocol also made good progress in the phones and IPPBX for integrating projects with several brands. But here maybe this question is in your mind, that if SIP has the protocol associated with the telephone PBX, how it can be associated with the video surveillance system? To answer this question, we can say that the camera supporting SIP feature has a feature which makes us able to assign it to an extension. In this case, if an unauthorized event is detected by the camera takes a pre-programmed action to start calling your mobile phone, and you can watch not only the image of the camera live video, but also hear the sound of the environment. Let me explain the advantages of this protocol on the cameras by giving you an example. Suppose you don't want someone enter your office room when you are not there, or you want to be notified through telephone whenever someone enters your room. So, in this case, you will be notified by using the contact that goes with your extension, by specifying the unauthorized points at unauthorized times whenever someone enters your meeting room. If you have an IP phone, you can hear the person's voice or the sound of the room environment, but if you have the media phone, you are also able to view the image. Let me say it easier way. If your cell phone or tablet supports related software such as MicroSIP, Zoiper, LeanPhone, SIP Simple, SIP Droid, and so on, you have the ability either to hear the sound or see the pictures, and you're no longer limited to the extension. While you are on the street, in travel, or anywhere else, if your phone is connected to the internet, you can even know what's happening in the place of the installed camera. Even if you are at home, the same software on your operating system can help you. Sometimes it happens that the connection is somehow disrupted and the camera cannot connect with you to notify you. In this case, if you are integrated with the PBX, it will be possible for you to check all the logs of the cameras and observe how many times you have unauthorized access and what times this happens in short. Of course, this is not just matter of alarms. At the different look, if you have mild side camera and the camera supports the SIP protocol, you can even call yourself with your camera. Suppose you are a manager of a company and you have installed cameras in the different parts of the company and do not want your employees to notice the sound of the environment. Here is when you can call to the cameras you desire and hear the sounds that cameras detected by dialing extension number of the camera on your phone disk or even your cell phone. And of course, this call can be both video and audio. If you've installed a 2191 Milesight camera in a project which equipped it with a small speaker, you can make a call to a particular camera to announce your message by a desk phone. Or you can send your message in all places where this camera have been installed. In a different project, assume that you have considered a number of cameras for a store, and a few kilometers away from the store, you have installed a number of cameras in warehouse. If the installed camera have the ability to connect it to the audio output by connecting the desired port to an amplifier, the store manager can send his message through the cameras to the warehouse. or even this communication can be bilateral. On the other hand, if the camera do not have the speakerphone connectivity, it also gets fixed by installing a SIP speaker. One of the benefits of the SIP protocol is the use of the DTMF codes feature, which we will examine with an example. If a villa in the north of Iran is equipped with a 2962 fps Milesight camera for video surveillance system, and the other security features of the villa are also modern, for example, the door locks are electrical. If your guests arrive to the villa earlier than you can contact a villa's phone and unlock the doors and garden locks by sending the desired code. In the event of adding a smart system to your villa, you can even control other types of systems, such as lighting, heating, and cooling systems through the cameras. Due to the growth of the technology and the use of BMS and IoT in projects, if the cameras used in these projects support SIP, the user's capabilities and usage of the project are doubled, as all systems work together integrated. By VCA activation, the camera can be equipped with features such as region entrance or exciting, loitering, people counting, and features like that. Good ideas can be put into practice and give many examples to support SIP more, but unfortunately they can't be included in this video. However, we try to provide some of the functionality of using this protocol in a simple language for you, in the hope that it would interest you. Thank you for your attention, and we will be looking forward to your suggestion and criticism impatiently.